Article 172. Duration of state legislatures. Clause 1. Every legislative assembly of every state, unless sooner dissolved, shall continue for 5 years from the date appointed for its first meeting, and no longer at the expiration of the said period of 5 years shall operate as a dissolution of the assembly, provided that the said period may, while a proclamation of emergency is in operation, be extended by Parliament by law for a period not exceeding 1 year at a time, and not extending in any case beyond a period of 6 months after the proclamation has ceased to operate. Clause 2. The Legislative Council of a state shall not be subject to dissolution, but as nearly as possible, one third of the members thereof shall retire as soon as may be on the expiration of every second year, in accordance with the provisions made in that behalf by Parliament by law. Article 173. Qualification for membership of the state legislature. A person shall not be qualified to be chosen to fill a seat in the legislature of a state unless he, Clause A, is a citizen of India and makes and subscribe before some person authorized in that behalf by the Election Commission an oath or affirmation according to the forms set out for the purpose in the third schedule. Clause B is in the case of a seat in the Legislative Assembly not less than 25 years of age, and in the case of a seat in the Legislative Council not less than 30 years of age. And Clause C possesses such other qualification as may be prescribed in that behalf by or under any law made by Parliament. Article 174. Article 174. Sessions of the state legislature, prorogation and dissolution. Clause 1. The governor shall form time to time summons to house or each house of the legislature of the state to meet at such time and place as he thinks fit, but 6 months shall not intervene between its last sitting in one session and the date appointed for its first sitting in the next session. Clause 2. The governor may from time to time, subclause A, prorogue the house or either house, subclause B, dissolve the legislative assembly. Article 175. Right of governor to address and send messages to the house or houses. Clause 1. The governor may address the legislative assembly, or in the case of a state having a legislative council, either house of the legislature of the state or both houses assembled together, and may for that purpose require the attendance of members. Clause 2. The governor may send messages to the house or houses of the legislature of the state, whether with respect to a bill then pending in the legislature or otherwise, and a house to which any message is so sent shall with all convenient dispatch consider any matter required by the message to be taken into consideration. Article 176. Special address by the governor. Clause 1. At the commencement of the first session after each general election to the Legislative Assembly, and at the commencement of the first session of each year, the governor shall address the Legislative Assembly, or in the case of a state having a legislative council, both houses assembled together and inform the legislature of the causes of its summons. Subclause Clause 2. Only Clause 2. Provision shall be made by the rules regulating the procedure of the House or either House for the allotment of time for discussion of the matters referred to in such address.